Hello, welcome to Writing Review with Mrs. Mercado. Today's review lesson, we will be reviewing how to use our prompt to organize our ideas for our essay. And we can do this by annotating the prompt. Before we annotate the prompt, our first step is to read the prompt, to know what we're doing. What is the problem in the fable? How is the problem solved? What is the moral of the fable? And use details from the story in your answer. In your response, be sure to tell what the problem is in the fable, tell how the problem was solved, tell the moral of the fable, use details from the story. Step 2 is annotate. The first thing I want to come up with is my introduction. So I wrote my I and I circled it. Then I do my starter sentence. I will tell. And then I pull the rest of the sentence from the prompt. I will tell the problem in the fable, how the problem is solved, and what the moral of the fable is. Then I move on to my body paragraphs, which are my B1, tell what the problem is in the fable, my B2, tell how the problem is solved. I annotate my B3, the moral of the fable, and my R, which is my reminder to use details from the story. So my B1, I add my starter sentence. First, I will, and then I fill in the rest. Tell what the problem is in the fable. B2, second, I will, tell how the problem was solved. B3, third, I will tell the moral of the fable. Then I need to move on to my conclusion. My conclusion, I write a C, and I circled it, and then I go with the sentence starter, I told. I told the problem in the fable, how the problem was solved, and what the moral of the fable was. Thanks, guys. This is how you annotate your prompt to set up your essay. Now you have an outline to start writing the paragraphs of your essay, and I'll see you next week to continue writing essays. We'll start with writing the introduction. See you then.